Hey everybody, welcome back to our quick 1-minute video. In today's guide, I'm going to be showing you what this stuff is that accumulates in your toilet. If you have a toilet in your house that never gets used, never gets flushed, after 2 to 3 months, you're probably cleaning this all the time. It's kind of nasty and you might be wondering what it is. And number 2, I'm going to be showing you how to prevent this. There's a remedy my dad taught me growing up. I apply this to my toilets about every 2 months because I have 3 toilets that don't always get used and I get tired of cleaning this. It's a quick little hack that you can apply inside of the tank and it prevents this from occurring. So first off, what is this stuff? Well, it's mold, and it's actually not just forming on the inside toilet bowl. There's a cavity inside the ring here, so when you flush, you know, all the water comes down, shoots down into the toilet, as you could probably see when you flush the toilet. So there's actually mold accumulating in the cavity, and this remedy I'm going to be showing you will go down in here, clean all this mold, and will prevent it from coming down into the bowl itself. All right, step number 1, remove your tank lid. All right, so once you have the lid removed, you're going to want to locate your overflow valve. You'll usually find there's a water line, and as you can see right above the water line, there is a hole here, so if the water comes up and overflows, it'll go down into there and then dispense back into the toilet to prevent your tank from overflowing. Depending on your make and model, yours might be located here or over here. It might be a larger diameter or smaller, but it's usually an area that you can look right down into, like a pipe that goes back into the toilet. Then just grab yourself some distilled white vinegar. You can get this at a dollar store for $1. So what we're going to be doing is pouring the white distilled vinegar into the overflow valve. If your valve is pretty, narrow, you can use a funnel because you're going to want to pour in, usually about maybe half a quart, and you're going to want to pour it fairly fast so it dispenses into the cavity of the toilet. So it goes all the way around the ring of the toilet and kills the mold. Here's just another view. If I pour it into the overflow valve, you'll see it coming out the actual toilet, so it's going all the way around the ring here, dispensing out and killing all the mold in the cavity. Now, by doing this treatment about once every 2 months, you're not going to have to worry about doing this every couple months and scrubbing it all off, because it'll kill all that mold in the cavity, prevent it from dropping down into the bowl itself. And so, this isn't the hardest job to do, but it's not my favorite. I'd rather be eating teriyaki and watching a movie or something, but this will really prevent the mold from accumulating in a toilet if you have a toilet in your house that goes unused, unflushed on a routine basis. So, hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit that like button. See you next video.